we have a triangle. Hooray. How different, how unusual. We never have triangles. And it has vertices at the origin. So that's 0, 0. At A, which is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. And at B, which is 0, 4. So you can see it's very nice right angle triangle. Point C lies on AB. Hasn't told us it's in the middle, so let's just draw it C. And OC is perpendicular to AB. Question A asked us to find the equations of AB and OC. And this one, I'm going to give it coordinates x, y. Oh, no, not x, y. Like, I know it's at the midpoint. But they haven't actually told me that, so I don't think we can use that. So I'm going to call it xc, yc. Okay, so find the equations of AB. Well, the gradient is y2 take y1, so 4 take 0, over x2 take x1, 0 take 3, so the gradient is negative 4 thirds. And then y take y1, so I'm just going to use the point 3, 0, so y take 0 equals negative 4 thirds x take 3. So y equals negative 4 thirds, see why I use that point right now, 4 thirds x plus 4 thirds on times 3 is 4. Okay, let's find OC. So the gradient here is yc take 0 over xc take 0, which is yc over xc. And the y coordinates, I'm going to use the point 0, 0. Y take 0 equals the gradient yc over xc times x take 0. So y equals yc over xc times x. I've got the sneaking suspicion we're supposed to, like, we do know from stuff we've done before that is the midpoint, that C is the midpoint. But I feel like the questions I'm answering are not the questions that they're answering in the work solutions. Like, they're completely different. That's because they are. Oh my gosh, I'm looking at the wrong solutions. That's the worst. But they're perpendicular. I forgot that. I know AB is perpendicular to OC, therefore MOC equals negative 1 over MAB. So MOC equals negative 1 over negative 4 thirds, so it's 3/4. And then y take y1, so y take, I'm going to use the point 0, 0. And this one I used 3, 0. I've got y take 0 equals 3/4 outside of x take 0, so y equals 3 on 4x. Ah, okay, that's much better. So the coordinates of C Well, I know C is on AB. The y coordinates are the same. So it's where OC hits AB. So the y coordinates are the same, as are the x coordinates, which we're going to find. So I can say that negative 4/3 x plus 4, which is the equation for AB, equals 3/4 x, which is the equation for OC, which means I'm going to get everything over to the right. I've got positive 4 equals 3/4 x plus 4/3 x. So I've got positive 4 equals, I'm going to do this on a calculator, I cannot be bothered. 3/4 plus 4/3, 25 over 12. So x equals 4 times 12 divided by 25, which is 48 over 25. Y equals 3/4 times this. So y is 36 over 25. So the point C is 48 over 25, comma, 36 over 25. Okay. Now I've got to find these lengths. I've got to go to great lengths to find these lengths. So I'm just going to remind myself, A is the point 30. B is the point 0,4. C is the point, O is the point 0,0. And C is the point 48 over 25, 36 over 25. One of these does not belong with the rest. Okay, so let's find OA. So OA squared, we're going to use the distance formula. 3 take 0 squared plus 0 take 0 squared. So OA squared is 9, so OA is 3. AB squared is going to be 0 take 3 squared plus 4 take 0 squared. So that's 9 and 25, so that's 9 and 16, so that's 25. So AB is 5. OC, this time we've got 48 over 25 take 0 squared plus 36 over 25 take 0 squared gives us 144 over 25, which gives us 12 on OC is 12 on 5. BC, this time it's 48 on 25 minus 0 squared plus 36 on 25 minus 4 squared equals so BC squared is 256 on 25, so BC equals 16 over 5. And finally, oh, I need some more room. AC squared is going to be 48 on 25 take 3 squared plus 36 on 25 take 0 squared. So AC squared equals 81 over 25. So AC is 9 on 5. All right. So easy. So we're going to confirm some good results for right-angled triangles. So we've got OC squared. So OC squared was 144 on 25 equals AC. Now AC was 9 on 25 times BC, which was 16 on 25. So we've got 144 on 25 equals, these are both on 5, by the way, sorry. So 5 times 5 is 25, and 9 times 16, 144. Left hand side equals right hand side. So we've done that one. And number 2, OA squared. So OA squared was 9 equals AC times AB. So AC was 9 on 5. AB was 5. Well, yeah, because that's the same as 5 on 1. Left hand side equals right hand side. Okay. I mean, this bit was a bit of a nightmare. This bit wasn't great. We had to put